Let's review the 6 main membrane proteins you're going to find in a plasma membrane. Remember that the cell membrane is going to be mainly made of phospholipids and membrane proteins. There are 6 main types of these membrane proteins that are going to be found in cells. The first type of membrane protein is going to be known as a channel protein, and these proteins allow the passage of certain molecules, usually from an area of high concentration to low concentration. Carrier proteins are next, and they are another type of protein that allows the passage of molecules from areas of high to low concentration. However, this membrane protein is going to change shape as the molecules pass the membrane. The next type of membrane protein is known as cell recognition proteins, and these help cells identify pathogens versus self cells. And you can see this type of protein is known as a glycoprotein because we have a carbohydrate attached to the protein. Receptor proteins are the next type of membrane protein, and they're my favorite. These type of membrane proteins are going to bind with some receptor molecule and initiate some cellular response within the cell. The next type of membrane proteins are known as enzymatic proteins, and you can kind of guess what these do. These are enzymes that are just embedded in the cell membrane, so they either break things down or join things together. And the last type of membrane protein is going to be known as a junction protein. Now, these proteins are going to help communicate things between cells or anchor cells together. One more thing to remember about these membrane proteins is their structure is going to determine their function. So the reason why we have all these different types of membrane proteins is because of their structure and function being different.